Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna do a lot of cooking and baking. It's not really early. Usually I start these vlogs kind of earlier in the day. It's actually really late in the day-ish. It's like 11:30ish. So I'm just gonna start cooking now because the dinner I'm gonna make, I've made this kind of recipe before. It's like the chicken with broccoli, potatoes and stuff. But I'm actually going to start it a lot earlier so that it can be done before the bad time my husband gets home. So yeah, let's get to cooking. All right, so I've actually made this so many times before: broccoli, carrots. This time I'm actually putting potatoes and onions in the recipe. You don't have to, but this is something that my daughter, I know, loves. I love, and so does my husband. I just cut all the veggies that I want to put in it, and I mix it up with sazon, adobo, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. And I do put a lot of water at the bottom of it so that it can completely bake and steam evenly. I do put it in the oven for 300 minutes for at 350 for 45 minutes to an hour, and I did do the chicken separately. You guys keep feeling I'm filming with this back camera. I don't know why I keep feeling. Anyways, so I did bake the first batch of bread that I tried to make last time. It didn't rise anymore. I'm gonna cut into it another bit and see what's up with that. But then this is the second batch. It did actually rise a lot more, and then I just made the third batch that in an hour is supposed to double in size, and we will see together and see how that goes. And you put the stuff away. I'll make it dinner, but yeah, let's see. All right, so I am trying this now. This was the first batch that I did, so it didn't rise as much, obviously. We'll see what it's like when I cut into it, but we'll find out. All right, and like I said, the first one was a little too salty. The second one needed more salt, and then the third one needed a teeny tiny bit more salt, but it was so much better and it was good. And then fourth time is definitely going to be the charm. All right, and now we're switching over to making some little muffins for my toddler. They basically are very easy to make with pancake mix, flour, vanilla extract, milk. You can use chocolate chips, or you can use berries if you want, strawberries or whatever. I honestly love these. My daughter inhales them. She really likes them, and my mom even liked them. So you know, that's a win when grandma and the baby actually likes it, and so does my husband. So yeah, definitely give it a try. Let me know if you guys try it out. I got the Amazon order. I got some more micro, what are these called? I forgot already. I got some more micro disposable picks for when I do lashes, some more lip balms, and some more mascara ones. They were all on sale. My hands have been so dry. You see that? That's horrible. From changing my daughter's diapers so much, and from cleaning and washing dishes. So I need to buy some gloves. If you have any recommendations, but I do love this stuff. I've used this on my face before when I had really bad eczema and we had to wear masks all the time. So I got that, and then I got this guy as well. You can get them both on Sephora. I got them on Amazon just to get them faster. All right, now it's time to serve up a dinner, and I made some rice with quinoa and then the veggies, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add the chicken, and I decided to do a little side of avocado as well. It was absolutely delicious, and of course my daughter ate the veggies, and this day she actually didn't even want the rice. It's a rare occasion. My husband got to them. My husband, yes, and they are delicious, guys. Definitely try them out. And here I am cutting the next batch. As you could tell, it came out so much better. It was a little teeny tiny bit on the saltier side, but when I went ahead and made a sandwich for my husband with ham, cheese, and mayo, and he said it was delicious. So win-win. We will get there though. Alright, so I ended up making my husband a sandwich with the bread the second time I attempted to make the sandwich bread. So the first one, it didn't rise enough, but it still tasted good. The second one, it rolls when I baked it, but it did not, it was a little bit salty. So I guess se me fue la mano con la sal. So then the third one, which is a little bit of a different recipe, I'm gonna actually make tomorrow, so I don't even know if I incorporated it in this video, but it did rise really good, and I just reknit it, and then I'm gonna make it tomorrow, so it's just gonna stay there overnight. But I'm assuming it's gonna rise better this time as well, so I'm so happy that at least this one worked out. Editing me, yes, I need to clean my mirror. I just noticed that. So the batch that I did needed a little bit more salt, so I just did another one today, and I put more salt. My husband still says it needs a little bit more salt, but it came out so much better. Just throwing that in there because yeah, I'm gonna make this bread recipe one. I'm gonna get there. Yeah, so I didn't want to really film showing you guys me doing a lot of my washing dishes and stuff, because I washed a lot of dishes and my hands are killing me, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a little hand treatment right now. And I think that's it for today's video. I'm gonna go ahead and edit yesterday's video, and yeah, I hope you guys had a wonderful Easter. Leave a little this emoji right here down below if you're still watching. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.